Imagine a world without hair. No luscious locks to style, no playful beard to stroke, not even the faintest eyebrow to frame your face. This is the reality for millions living with alopecia. It's an autoimmune disorder. The body attacks hair follicles, causing hair loss on the scalp, face, or body. Alopecia doesn't discriminate. It affects men, women, children, and adults. It can be temporary or permanent, adding to the emotional burden. The physical changes are startling, but the emotional toll is often heavier. Hair loss can be isolating, confusing, and deeply upsetting. Our hair is often tied to our identity. We use it to express ourselves. Losing it can feel like losing a part of ourselves, but there is hope. There are ways to cope with alopecia. There are ways to feel beautiful and confident again. This video will explore those ways. We'll look at solutions like microblading and eyelash extensions. We'll hear from people living with alopecia, and we'll discover how they've found strength and beauty in unexpected places. The mirror can be a cruel friend when you're living with alopecia. It reflects back an image that feels unfamiliar. It can trigger feelings of self-doubt and insecurity. For many, hair loss is about more than just physical changes. It's about the impact on self-esteem. Our society places a high value on hair. We see it in magazines, on television, and all over social media. Long flowing hair is often equated with beauty and femininity. A full head of hair on a man is seen as a sign of virility and success. These societal norms can make hair loss feel even more devastating. For some, the emotional toll is overwhelming. They may avoid social situations and withdraw from loved ones. They may struggle to recognize themselves in the mirror. The constant fear of judgment and stares can be debilitating. But it's important to remember that you are not alone. Alopecia affects millions worldwide. Eyebrows frame the face. They add expression and convey emotion. So when alopecia takes your eyebrows, it can feel like you've lost a vital part of yourself. But there's a solution that's giving hope to many microblading. Microblading is a semi-permanent tattoo technique. It creates the illusion of natural eyebrow hairs. Using a specialized handheld tool, tiny pigments are deposited into the skin. The result? Beautifully shaped eyebrows that can last for years. This procedure is meticulous and requires an experienced technician. They carefully consider your facial structure and desired brow shape. The goal is to create eyebrows that look natural and flattering. For many with alopecia, microblading is life-changing. It restores a sense of normalcy and boosts confidence. The magic of microblading lies in its precision. The process involves a handheld tool with tiny needles. These needles implant pigment into the skin's superficial layers. The technician meticulously draws each hair stroke to mimic natural brow hairs. The pigment used is specially formulated to fade gradually over time. This ensures that your eyebrows always look natural. It avoids that harsh, permanent tattoo look. Before the procedure, a topical numbing cream is applied to minimize discomfort. The technician will work closely with you to ensure the shape and color match your desired look. After the initial session, a touch-up appointment is usually required to perfect the shape and color. With proper care, microbladed eyebrows can last for 1 to 3 years. This can vary based on skin type and lifestyle. Microblading offers a long-lasting solution for those seeking to restore their eyebrows. Beyond brows eyelash extensions for alopecia. Alopecia doesn't just affect the scalp and eyebrows, it can also cause eyelash loss. Eyelashes may seem like a small detail, but they play a big role in our appearance. They make our eyes look bigger and brighter. They add a touch of femininity. Eyelash extensions offer a solution. They provide length and volume to natural lashes. They are applied individually to each lash, creating a fuller, more dramatic look. There are various types of eyelash extensions available, including synthetic, silk, or mink lashes. Your technician can help you select the right type based on your desired look and natural lash thickness. With proper care, they can last for several weeks, providing a confidence boost for those with alopecia. More than just beauty, the emotional impact of extensions. Eyelash extensions and microblading aren't just about aesthetics. For many with alopecia, these treatments have a profound emotional impact. They can help restore a sense of self. They can boost confidence and self-esteem. Imagine waking up every day with perfectly shaped eyebrows and long, fluttery eyelashes. This can be life-changing for someone who has lost their hair due to alopecia. It can help them feel more like themselves again. These treatments can also empower people to reclaim their beauty. They can help them feel more comfortable in their own skin. This newfound confidence can have a ripple effect on other areas of life. Exploring other options: wigs, scalp micropigmentation, and more. Microblading and eyelash extensions are just two options for those seeking to enhance their appearance after alopecia. A wide range of other beauty treatments and solutions are available. Let's explore a few more. Wigs. Wigs offer a versatile and non-invasive way to address hair loss. They come in various styles, colors, and lengths. You can choose a wig that closely resembles your natural hair or opt for a completely different look. Scalp micropigmentation. This innovative treatment involves tattooing tiny dots onto the scalp to replicate the appearance of hair follicles. It's a highly effective solution for both men and women experiencing hair loss or thinning. Topical hair growth treatments. Certain medications, such as minoxidil, can help stimulate hair growth in some individuals. These treatments are available over the counter or by prescription. Voices of strength. Real stories of alopecia and beauty. To truly understand the impact of alopecia and the power of beauty solutions, let's hear from those who have walked this path. Real stories have the power to inspire, empower, and remind us that we're not alone. Meet Jessica. Losing my hair to alopecia in my early 20s was devastating. I felt like I'd lost a part of my identity, but discovering microblading was a turning point. It gave me back my eyebrows and with them, a piece of my confidence. I finally felt like myself again. Meet David. As a man, hair loss can feel incredibly isolating. I was self-conscious about my receding hairline and started to withdraw from social situations. Scalp micropigmentation was a game changer. Embracing changed Sarah's journey with scalp micropigmentation. Sarah, a vibrant 35-year-old woman, first noticed patches of hair loss in her early 30s. Alopecia, the diagnosis came swiftly, bringing with it a wave of emotions, fear, uncertainty, and a profound sense of loss. I felt like my body was betraying me, Sarah recalls, her voice laced with emotion. My hair was a part of me, a part of my identity. Losing it felt like losing a part of myself. Sarah tried various treatments, hoping to regain her lost locks, but the hair loss persisted, gradually chipping away at her confidence. Then she discovered scalp micropigmentation. It was like a light at the end of the tunnel, Sarah says, her eyes sparkling. The idea of having a full head of hair again, even if it was simulated, gave me a renewed sense of hope. Finding hope support networks and resources for alopecia. Navigating the world of alopecia can feel daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. Numerous support networks and resources are available to provide guidance, information, and a sense of community. The National Alopecia Areata Foundation, or NAAF, is a leading organization dedicated to supporting individuals and families affected by alopecia. They offer valuable resources, including information on treatments, support groups, and opportunities to connect with others. Online support groups and forums provide a platform for people with alopecia to connect, share their stories, and offer each other support. These online forums and social media groups can be invaluable sources of information and encouragement. Coping with the emotional impact of alopecia can be challenging. Seeking support from a therapist or counselor specializing in body image and self-esteem can provide coping mechanisms and emotional support. Beauty redefined, living with alopecia, embracing your truth. Alopecia teaches us that beauty transcends physical appearances. It's about embracing our individuality, celebrating our uniqueness, and recognizing that true beauty radiates from within. Living with alopecia is a journey of resilience, strength, and self-discovery. It's about challenging societal norms, redefining beauty standards, and finding confidence in the face of adversity. Whether you choose to embrace your natural beauty, explore treatments like microblading and eyelash extensions, or opt for other solutions, remember that the most important thing is to feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Alopecia doesn't define you. Your strength, resilience, and the way you choose to embrace your unique beauty is what truly sets you apart. Let your journey be a testament to the power of self-acceptance, the beauty of diversity, and the unwavering human spirit.